Hey guys, what's up? So I got a holiday after a few days and it's been a long time since I actually had a self-care day. I really love self-care days because I feel so rejuvenated after a self-care day. So I thought why not do a self-care day vlog with you guys. Let's go. I also added some pictures to my Polaroid wall. As you can see, I added my 18th birthday, some new Polaroids. I'm so happy. I'm resetting some of the things in my room today and making my room clean. So for self-care, I'm gonna start with my face. So I have no makeup on right now and I am gonna use some face masks so that my skin feels fresh and bright. So guys, I've put my face mask and now I'm gonna keep it for 10 minutes and wash it off. So I have washed my face and I feel a lot fresh right now. So step 1 is completed, which was face. Now it's time for my hair. So as you all know, I've been shooting continuously and we have scenes in the sun and rain and everything. There's indoors and outdoors. So my hair feels very frizzy and damaged right now. So I really need to do something about my hair. So every time you guys have asked me the solution, for best hair, long hair and strong hair, I've always said oiling, because oiling is the best solution for, frizzy and damaged hair. But, oiling is good, but when you heat the oil, the benefits are more. But, overheating the oil can destroy all the ingredients and even can harm the scalp. That's when I started using True Hair, which is the world's #1 Ayurvedic oil with a true heater. It takes only 4 minutes to heat, and now you can enjoy the warmness of 13 novel herbs like amla, bhringraj and hibiscus at the right temperature. So True Hair Oil comes with this heater, which is world's #1 heater because this automatically turns off at 65 degrees. So let's start. So the heater is off, as you can see. Now we're gonna take it. So as you can see, this is my hair. And right now it's looking a little damaged, a little frizzy, and we're gonna take care of it. So my oil is ready now. And I'm gonna apply it in my scalp, right? So also, the best part is that it is completely natural and free from all harmful chemicals. Click on the link below and get 25% off only for a limited period. Every purchase you make on True Hair website, 5% will be going for rural girls' education. So I have given myself a very good massage and I feel so nice, so therapeutic this was. And this smells also very natural and very healthy. So I'm gonna keep it on for about 15 minutes and then wash it off. So till that time, I'm gonna read my book, watch some episodes of my favorite show, Self-Care Baby. So right now I'm reading this book. It's called Ikigai and it's a very popular book and I've been wanting to read this for a long time. It's called The Japanese Secret to a Long and Happy Life, and I am really liking this because it helps you and teaches you how to live a life without any stress and how to live a happy and a long life. I'm also reading poems these days from this book from Rumi and I'm really liking it. And I'm rewatching Friends, of course, because I love Friends. And I also have my new mug, which my dad got me. Friends! Hell yeah. So guys, now I'm gonna go take a shower and wash my hair because it's been 15 minutes. So see you guys. So guys, I've taken a bath and I have washed my hair. And I can already see a lot of difference. I can feel my hair is, getting the strength back and it's feeling very healthy. So every time I take a bath, after I get out, I always use a face mist. Hey guys, so my hair is all dried up now. I didn't use any blow dryer because I didn't want to. And now my hair feels a lot healthier and smooth and real nice. So thank you so much for watching my self-care day. I had a very good day today. And hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.